Everybody, it's David here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature with my lovely wife, Natalie. Hey, Nat, how are you?
Hey, good.
Today we're back in the office in another spot. Wanted to show you a little bit of highlights of our beautiful space, or my beautiful space, I should say. Okay. So we're here for another Stager's Corner, obviously. Otherwise, why would you be here? Okay. No words. Anyway, so Nat, you just came across something pretty cool that we started doing.
I did.
And we've seen it on the internet before, but you can actually relate it to staging. So what did you find?
So I don't know if you guys have heard this term before. It's called laundry stripping. So it's been all over TikTok, all over Pinterest. Probably something our grandmothers did for a long time, otherwise known as a pre-soak. But my God, it blew my mind. So basically what it is, it's a mixture of a few different cleaning products, and then you soak your already clean sheets and towels in your bathtub or your laundry tub or whatever it is for about 4 to 6 hours. And the stuff that comes out, it's disgusting. So I don't know if you're gonna post the picture.
Yeah, so I'm gonna try to overlay it over here.
Like right here, right now?
No, I'm gonna put it over our faces so you don't see it.
Okay.
So then you can talk, but you can see all the disgustingness that was in.
Oh my God.
So I didn't even know what picture she's showing here, but what are you showing right now? So what picture?
So we're showing the clean sheets that came out of my linen closet.
They were clean.
Yeah, they were clean. And then are we showing your gym clothes?
Sure, we can show some of my gym clothes, which are dirty. Oh, so I would say that they were dirty. So what I do is I usually keep them in the. So I get sweaty. I work out at the gym 4 times a week, and then Peloton at least a couple of times. Whatever. Yeah, I know people don't give a shit. I know. But anyway, my point is my stuff gets sweaty, so I usually keep it in the bathtub or I put it into a laundry basket because I can't mix it with the other stuff. Because what I like to do is we do I do a really deep clean of my workout stuff because otherwise.
Apparently you don't.
I know, right? It's like a 2.5 hour cycle. Well, I put in the special sport detergent and the sanitizer on our washer. It's supposed to be really high heat. It's supposed to kill everything, but
it's all the residue from years and years of washing in hard water. And even if there's a little bit of soap left or a little bit of laundry detergent, it just builds up over time. It's
So anyway, so back to how can you use this for staging? So great, we just gave them a nice cleaning tip, but
so we're not bringing in our own sheets that have never been slept in, freshly opened package. This is awesome for getting your sheets really white because we'll always recommend putting white sheets on a bed.
Absolutely.
And also making your towels really fluffy. So sometimes over time your towels get that hard feeling and they're not obviously as soft as when you got them. Once you do the laundry stripping, then they're going to fluff up a lot. So they're just going to look cleaner and fresher when they're in your bathroom.
Yeah, and how often would somebody do that? I know it's good for staging and stuff too, for fluffiness, but say it was just a regular person wanted to do the stripping, did they say, I guess you can check on Pinterest how often you're supposed to do it.
Go Google it. I don't have any of that information. Maybe David will provide a link over our faces as well. But it's everywhere right now, but I had just had the opportunity to try it because I had to figure out a couple of grocery stores, a couple of Amazon shops to get everything I needed. But I'm essentially doing all of our drawers, all of our closets, everything right now.
And believe it or not, our kids love it too. Minnie was they love doing it.
The stuffed animals.
Oh
my God.
Yeah, you don't realize how much crap gets in those stuffed animals.
It's disgusting.
So anyway, there's your home tip. Try laundry stripping as opposed to other types of stripping. That you can do on your own. Don't post pictures of that. Anyway, Nat, if they want to get in touch with you for staging, what's the best way to do that?
Send us a DM at spaces.collective on Instagram.
And I'm David V. Cinelli _Realtor on Instagram, and I don't even know on Facebook. Just Google me. All right, guys, have a wonderful day.